Well, good afternoon and welcome to this Harveywetdog live stream all the way from our duck pond here at Hillside House. Hope you're having a good day. The sun is shining at the moment. The weather has been a little bit changeable and I've had quite a morning working out how to make the network software operate so that I can set the video up on my PC and then come out here and run the live stream. But hopefully it's working successfully and you're seeing something. So what shall we say? I think at this weekend we've just received notification that British eventing are beginning to get back up to speed. That's quite exciting. Obviously, for us mere mortals, we've got to wait until the lockdown eases a little bit more before we're able to get out and actually watch some eventing or capture some eventing on the camera. I noticed that one or two of the events, last week we lost Blenheim, we lost Chatsworth, and the week before that we'd lost badminton, but I noticed from the email that we received on Friday that Chatsworth and Blenheim are trying to find people to rerun their events, rerun the classes. And also in this part of the world, because obviously at the moment the instruction is to stay local, Withington Manor, which would have taken place just before badminton, they're looking to move that to Cirencester Park. So I think I'd like to think that that's one of the events that I can aim for. In terms of dressage, I think my first priority is to get out and video my own horse, or our own horse. Vincent is now performing at PSG, which is very exciting, but I've not actually been able to go and see him and record him doing his PSG. So it would be nice if probably one of those first meetings at Summer House I can get out to, and let's hope he can get his qualification for the Winter Championships, because he's not getting any younger like all of us, and that would really be nice to be able to capture that. Other news for me is that I've now got, I think it's 8 days working left for EDF, and so I definitely retire on the 31st of March. And after that, well, of course, Mrs. Robinson's got a lot of jobs lined up for me, but hopefully I'll be able to commit a little bit more time to the videoing once eventing and dressage becomes a little bit more accessible. I will have to work through the media officers, obviously, but if they're under tight controls, then I won't be able to attend. Excuse that helicopter. It's probably the one that Boris was looking at earlier when I tried to take his photograph. Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to say for today. I just really wanted to get out, test the art of the possible, and it's been quite exciting. I look forward to bringing you more videos from 2021 in the future. Thanks to everybody who's kept supporting the channel, who've kept watching the historic videos that I've been putting online. I've been going through looking for my videos which I've had unlisted, wondering why I had it unlisted in the first place, putting those up. But definitely the channel needs some new material, and hopefully Cirencester, Hartbury, they'll begin to deliver that. I'm certainly reducing the amount of travelling I do, so I won't be doing some of those long trips, but keeping it local. There's still a lot of good action in this area. So that's all for now. Thanks very much. Over and out.